So a question says this, that you have to decide whether the following utility functions are these monotonic or they're strongly monotonic. So suppose you have u equals to max of xy. Okay, you need to have a proper understanding of where the consumption is going to lie in each of the preference relation. Okay, now in this case consumption would always lie at the corner points. Okay, and then you will see by increasing one of the commodities by one and to see whether the resultant utility increases or not. Okay, so we'll start with x and y. Suppose if it is 0, 5. Okay, now the point is, suppose you increase this x by 1. So this becomes 1 and 5. But you know this, that this couldn't happen because this is not the consumption point of max. Okay, max would always lie on the corner points, and 1, 5 is not a corner point. So what you will do now is you will increase y by 1 and keeping x at 0. Okay, so your resultant commodity bundles are 0 and 6. So your resultant utility in this case would be 6 because max of 0, 6 is 6. So just by increasing one commodity, you have been able to increase your utility. So this is a case of strong monotonic function or strongly monotonic function. Okay. Now second case is u is equal to x plus 2y. Okay. So suppose you have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. In this case, your utility is equal to 15. Okay. Now, see, by increasing x just by 1, okay, so your x would now become equal to 6 and this is remaining at 5. Your resultant utility is 16. So just by increasing x by 1 unit, you have been able to increase your utility. So this again is the case of strong monotonicity. Monotonicity would imply that you have to increase both the commodities by 1, 1 in order for your utility to increase. Okay. So this is the case for max and perfect substitutes.